We can use comparison charts to plot curves from different tables, attributes, and even databases in the same chart. In this case, we will compare our statistical summary curve to the original test data. From our statistical data Tensile table, we choose the 73 degrees 6'4" titanium plate record. We want to compare the summary record to the tensile response curve, seen here. We add it to the comparison chart. We now have a comparison chart with just one curve. Next, we need to find the test records for 73 degrees 6'4" titanium plate, and add them all to our reports list. Click on Comparison Chart. We want to add these records to the existing comparison chart, which already has the curve from the statistical summary table. Add curves to the chart. Only the tensile response graph is available, with strain on the x-axis. Add the series. And we get a chart with the statistical summary and test curves plotted together. We can immediately see that one of the test curves is an outlier, and identify which test it belongs to.